Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix problems with your voice call being cut out and the other person can't hear you, especially when you are on speakerphone on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So you might try to call somebody, and when you put it on speakerphone, on the other end, the other person may hear you are very muddy, where the sound maybe sound like you are driving on a highway, or maybe you are in the ocean or something, but the call is not clear. Sometimes they can hear you, sometimes they can't. Okay, so here are some of the things that you could try to fix this issue. So what you want to do is first try to take off the case. So I'm going to take off the case. Now some case will cause a cover on the microphone, especially the one at the back here. This one here have a quite clear cutout, so it does not cover the microphone at all. Just take out the case and then try to have your phone face down like that, and try to speak with the microphone, with the speakerphone. So see how you go with that. A lot of people find out after they have taken out the case, their speakerphone started to work again. So give that a try. Another thing you can do is, if you are using the 5G network, try to switch off 5G and switch it over to 4G or even the 3G, because if there is an issue with your network providers, for example, if there is a storm or something caused the 5G network not to work correctly, then that definitely can also cause a voice call cutoff. So you want to try to change your network setting. Now another thing that you could do is try to use Wi-Fi calling instead. So tap on settings, then go down and tap on cellular. In here, turn on cellular data and go down, and we want to tap on Wi-Fi calling and turn this on, and then tap on enable. So give that a try as well to see if that can help with your voice call being cut out on speakerphone. Okay, now another thing that you can try is to use your Apple AirPod temporarily to use that and speak to other people, because at the moment, if there is no fix, then you can just simply use the Apple AirPod temporarily. Okay, give that a try. Now there also could be a problem with the software on your device. So what you want to do is to perhaps check for the newer software update. You can do that by going to settings, then tap on general, then tap on software update, and make sure there is an update option. If it is not up to date, then check for the latest update and make sure your phone is up to date, because from time to time, when there is an error or when there is a software bug, Apple will release an update to fix that bug. So at the moment, it appears to be a problem with iOS having issues on the iPhone 13 Pro that cause some people to have a problem with using the speakerphone, and the other people can't actually hear you what you are saying. So give that a try, perhaps do a software update. Okay, so another thing that you can do is perhaps at the location where you are does not have a very good signal, so you might want to go to a different location or maybe a different area in your house and see if you can try to pick up a stronger signal. And yeah, once your phone shows you have a strong signal, then try to use the microphone or the speakerphone and see if that helps. And the last thing that you can do is to go to Apple store and go to the Genius Bar and ask for help. Maybe they have their software that they can use to diagnose your iPhone and make sure that your iPhone does not have any problem at all. Now some people say that this could be a cellular radio on the device that is defective. So if it is faulty, then perhaps Apple can replace your iPhone with another device. Okay guys, so give that a try and see how you go. Leave a comment in the comment sections if you do find a different solution that may solve your issues. Maybe you can share with other people so they can they can hopefully try it out and fix their own problem. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.